Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for the company presentation here at Commodity-TV, and we want to talk today about cobalt and especially First Cobalt. Well, First Cobalt is the world's largest cobalt explorer working in the Canadian cobalt camp and is listed on the TSX under the symbol FCC. The company has 219 million shares outstanding and fully diluted around 239 million shares. This gives them a market cap around 230 million Canadian dollars with a cash balance around $30 million. The company embraces innovation and modern exploration techniques in a cobalt camp with more than 100 past producers throughout the whole camp. They recently completed a three-way merger and now actively consolidate their preferred partners. Around $100 million is the existing infrastructure worth, including the only permitted cobalt extraction refinery which is capable of producing battery material in North America. It is located in the heart of the cobalt camp and has the ownership of over 50 past producers. First Cobalt has now the opportunity to restore and expand the First Cobalt Refinery, providing an integrated solution for cobalt projects in North America. First Cobalt will be a North American solution for the cobalt supply deficit, as currently the majority of cobalt is mined in the DRC, while the majority of cobalt is processed in Asia. It would be the pathway to conflict-free production of a core material in the electric vehicle revolution, and North America lacks a cobalt refinery to supply North American auto industry. First Cobalt consolidated the cobalt camp in 2017 completely and found very interesting mineralization styles on the various properties and old mines. Historically, the most prolific cobalt mining camp in Canada produced 50 million pounds of cobalt and 600 million ounces of silver over a 60-year period. First Cobalt controls 45% of the cobalt camp, including 50 past producing mines, which saw limited historic exploration, were focused on silver, and they never explored for cobalt really or bulk mining potential in the past. The mining was shallow, normally to a depth above of maximum 200 meters, which gives significant opportunities going deeper with modern exploration technology. In 2018, they will do a large drill program on all prospects with a length of 26,500 meters approximately. Latest drill results from the Belalen mine, for example, showed 2 meters of 0.78% cobalt and 0.83% nickel, including 1.1 meters of 1.35% cobalt and 1.47% nickel along the Belalen vein system that extends for approximately 300 meters of strike length. More assays are pending for additional 12 holes drilled as part of the 1100-meter program at Belalen going on. First Cobalt is also an embracing innovation for a 3D model. Digital compilation of 100 plus years of mining and geological data spanning the cobalt camp is going on, assessing artificial intelligence to accelerate the discovery cycle. Even more important is the strategic refinery, which allows short-term a production scenario. It is the only fully permitted cobalt extraction refinery in the cobalt camp and has replacement value of approximately $100 million, with an ideal location for a future mill refinery complex. The permits and processing infrastructure supports a fast track into production and/or sorting tests are underway with bench-scale metallurgical studies for the flow sheet design. Of high interest are also the historic muck piles covering 50 mines throughout the cobalt camp, providing important geological information accelerating metallurgical and mineralogical studies. Those are inexpensive exploration tools, and a representative sampling program is underway across several muck piles to assay material. There is a potential early production scenario as the mill includes a ball mill, shaker tables, a Nelson concentrator, as well as jig and mobile equipment. Finally, the cobalt market is more and more under pressure, as not only Tesla but especially the European car makers now come 2019 and 2020 with over 15 new e-car models into the world markets, and those batteries need to be powered from reliable sources. So First Cobalt is greatly positioned to benefit from this situation when they can start production. Check it out, and thanks for watching us. Bye bye from Heresau.